Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable swipe to type on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings. After click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and click on swipe touch and feedback. After click on swipe touch and feedback, so you will see click on keyboard swipe control. After click on keyboard swipe control, you will see swipe to type is here. If you want to enable swipe to type, click on swipe to type. After click on swipe to type, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable swipe to type on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.